Okay, let's be real. Most AI developer roadmaps are a total waste of time. They are bloated with abstract math and theory. You're never going to use it, right? But what if the data showed that the highest paying AI jobs, the one tipping into the 200K range, are all looking for the same core practical skills? This isn't another university course. This is the no fluff 6-month roadmap focused exclusively on the LLM APIs, vector databases, and production tools that get you hired fast. Look, this video will not contain very high-end video editing to give you the dopamine hit which you want in every video. This video is going to be information based and I will provide as much value as possible in this particular video. So starting with the section number 1, the AI gold rush is here. The game has changed. In 2026, the biggest money and the explosion in the job growth isn't in building models from the scratch anymore. While those research roles are still well compensated, the real action is in applying generative AI. The generative AI market is projected to rocket from 161 billion this year to $1.2 trillion in by 2034. Companies aren't just looking for PhDs, they are desperate for developers who can plug into APIs from OpenAI or Anthropic or Gemini and build smart systems with vector databases and actually deploy them. This is about turning AI concepts into revenue, and there is a massive talent gap, and that's our opening. Moving on to the section number 2, the 3 pillars to a top tier salary. Getting into the top bracket of AI salaries really boils down to 3 things. Master these and you are golden. Pillar number 1 is the GenAI first mindset. Stop thinking about building neural networks from the ground up. You need to master frameworks like LangChain and LlamaIndex that let you control powerful LLMs. You'll live and breathe APIs. Pillar number 2, production skills. Look, Jupyter Notebook isn't a product. High paying jobs demand code that can handle real world pressure. That means Docker, using fast APIs to create your own APIs, deploying it all to the cloud. This is the MLOps backbone that separates the hobbyists from the professionals, right? And the pillar number 3, the business translation. You have to connect your code to the company's bottom line. The leap to the top tier salary happens when you can explain how your AI feature solves a real problem, how it cuts cost or opens up a new revenue. Now moving on to the section number 3, your 6-month roadmap. Now here's the month by month plan. This assumes you know your Python basics, but we are going to ramp up fast. Month number 1 to 2 is going to be about Python and API foundations. Forget the beginner stuff. You need to master advanced Python like async, decorators, and getting seriously good with the data using pandas. Then you are going all in on APIs. Your goal here is to build a simple fast API endpoint and get it live. This foundation is not negotiable and you have to do this. Month number 3 is going to be the practical deep learning thing. We are not getting lost in math completely. You learn the essentials of PyTorch and more importantly, the Hugging Face Transformers library. And your project can be like take a pre-trained model like BERT and fine tune it for a specific task like sentiment analysis. This proves you understand how models work without wasting months on theory. Month number 4 is going to be about the GenAI moneymaker, that is RAG. This is where your value skyrockets. You are going to build a full Retrieval-Augmented Generation, that is RAG pipeline. That means using LangChain to hook up on a LLM to a vector database like Pinecone or ChromaDB. Your project is a chatbot that can answer questions about your own specific documents, the exact skills that companies are paying a premium for. Now the month number 5 is gonna be about production and MLOps. Time to make it real. You'll take that RAG app and Dockerize it. You'll make a tough fast API backend for it and learn the MLOps basics like setting up monitoring and a simple CI/CD pipeline with GitHub Actions. This shows you can build things that don't fall over. And the month number 6 is gonna be about your portfolio, resume, and your job hunt. You should now have these killer projects on your GitHub. Your final task is to build a portfolio that tells your story. Quantify everything. Don't say build a RAG bot. Say engineered a RAG system that cut down the query latency by 40%, right? Like quantify things. While median salaries for mid-level AI engineers often range from 140K to 211K, specializing in these in-demand generative AI skills is what helps top performers push past the $200,000 barrier, right? So tailor your resume with these metrics and start hitting the job boards. Now you have the blueprint. The demand for these skills has never been higher. If you're serious about this, I have put together a downloadable PDF of this entire roadmap, packed with links to the free resources and project ideas in the description below. If you're committing to this, comment roadmap below and subscribe for more practical guides to landing your first AI job. This is the direct path. It isn't easy, but it is straightforward. For the next 6 months, focus only on what gets you hired: LLM, APIs, RAG pipelines, and production ready tools. The opportunity is here right now. Go build. I'm there to see you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can ask me on my socials or you can comment down below. You can also reach out to me on email. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I wish you good luck for your job hunt.